Good morning, Bearcats. Just a quick tip this morning to show you how to attach work when you turn it in Google Classroom. A week or so ago I gave you a little extra credit that you needed to copy a document. So if I want to attach something and turn it in, what you are going to need to do with this, just by marking done does not mean you're done. What we want you to do is add your document and then mark done. So if I'm looking to turn in my Bearcat bonus, which is extra credit for technology, I'm going to click add, and I'm going to find my most recent work in my Google Drive. So I just did this, so I'm going to go to my Google Drive, and here is a copy of my check-in bonus. I'm going to insert that, and then I'm going to turn it in. I might add a comment, thanks for the extra credit. And then I'm going to hit send, and then I'm going to turn this in. And it'll double check if you want to turn it in. One attach will be submitted for Bearcat bonus, copy of check-in bonus. Yes, you're going to turn it in. And then you're done with your work. And when you get that, it'll say turned in right there. So that's how you attach something and turn it in Google Classroom. Have a wonderful day.